How Elon Musk became one of the richest people in the world. Have you ever wondered how Elon Musk built a company worth hundreds of billions of dollars so quickly and became one of the richest people in the world? Most people think Elon Musk became wealthy because he was lucky. The truth is very different. His journey was filled with failures, sleepless nights, impossible risks, and years of relentless work. Before he became the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Elon Musk was just a curious boy growing up in South Africa. As a child, he loved reading books. In fact, he read for hours every single day. Science, technology, engineering, and science fiction fascinated him. At just 12 years old, he taught himself computer programming and created a simple video game called Blastar. He sold the game's code to a computer magazine. It wasn't a huge amount of money, but it proved something important. He could build things that other people valued. Years later, Elon moved from South Africa to Canada and eventually to the United States. He believed America was the best place to build technology companies. In the 1990s, together with his brother Kimball Musk, he started a small software company called Zip2. The early days were incredibly difficult. Money was so tight that Elon often slept in the office. He showered at a nearby gym because they couldn't afford proper living expenses. Instead of giving up, he kept improving the product every single day. Eventually, Zip2 was sold for hundreds of millions of dollars. For many people, that would have been enough. They would have retired and enjoyed life. But Elon Musk wasn't chasing comfort, he was chasing bigger ideas. Instead of slowing down, he invested most of his money into another internet company that would later become part of PayPal. And once again, he was willing to risk almost everything. In 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon Musk received hundreds of millions of dollars from the deal. Most people would have stopped there, but Elon didn't. Instead of protecting his fortune, he risked almost all of it. He invested heavily in 3 companies he believed could change the future: SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. Many people thought he was making a terrible mistake. Then came one of the hardest periods of his life. SpaceX launched its first rocket. It failed. Second rocket failed too. Then the third. 3 failures in a row. Money was running out. Investors were losing confidence. At the same time, Tesla was struggling to survive. Production problems, financial pressure, and constant criticism pushed the company to the edge. By 2008, Elon Musk was nearly out of cash. He later said he had to choose how to divide his remaining money between Tesla and SpaceX just to keep both companies alive. Most people would have walked away. Elon didn't. He kept working. Some nights, he slept on the factory floor. Not because he had nowhere to live, but because every extra hour mattered. He wanted to solve problems faster. Then, everything changed. SpaceX successfully launched the Falcon 1 rocket into orbit. Soon after, NASA awarded SpaceX a major contract worth billions of dollars. The company was finally alive. Tesla also survived. Years later, Model S proved that electric cars could be fast, beautiful, and desirable. Tesla grew into one of the world's most valuable car companies. SpaceX transformed the space industry with reusable rockets, and Elon Musk became one of the richest people in history. But his greatest lesson isn't about money. It's about taking calculated risks, continuing after failure, and refusing to give up when everyone else says it's impossible. Success rarely happens overnight. Behind every extraordinary achievement, there are years of invisible work. So here's a question. If everyone around you told you your dream was impossible, would you keep going? If you enjoy finance documentaries, business stories, and the psychology of success, subscribe to Hidden Fortune for more.